In this video, I'll show you how to get a loan from Afterpay on Cash App and walk you through how the process works step by step. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone. If you're on Android, you can get it from the Google Play Store, and if you're on iPhone, you can get it from the App Store. Search for Cash App, install it if needed, and make sure you're logged in and your Cash App card is activated before moving forward. Go ahead and tap Open to continue. If you ever run into issues accessing Cash App due to your region, you might need to use a VPN, since Cash App applies geo-restrictions in certain areas. Once you're inside the app, the first thing you need to check is your Cash App balance. Before Afterpay will allow you to link your Cash App account, it must have an active balance. Even a small balance works, but there needs to be something available, so Afterpay recognizes the account as valid. Next, you need to check if you have access to the Cash App Borrow feature. Not every user gets it, because it depends on your account history, your activity, and your region. To see if it's available, go to the Banking tab inside Cash App and look for the Borrow option. If you see it, that means you have Cash App's small loan feature unlocked, and you may be able to use it alongside Afterpay. Now open the Afterpay app. Head over to the Payment Method section and add your Cash App card as one of your payment options. Once you add the card, Afterpay will use it for your installment payments. This is how you connect Afterpay with Cash App so both apps work together smoothly. After your Cash App card is linked, you can use Afterpay to split purchases into installments, and those payments will be charged from your Cash App balance or the Borrow feature if it's available on your account. Just remember that Afterpay is not a direct cash loan. It's a buy now, pay later service. But when you connect it with Cash App, you can manage all your payments in one place, borrow when eligible, and make your repayment process a lot easier. Always make sure you borrow responsibly and keep track of all your payment dates so you don't miss any installments.